I'm Pato. In the next minutes, I will walk you through creating your first automated test with Autonoma. We will go from zero to a working test step by step, no coding required. Every test in Autonoma follows the same simple pattern. First, you navigate to your application. Then you interact with it, clicking buttons, filling forms, just like a real user. Next, you verify that things work as expected. Then you publish it, and finally you scale it to run automatically. Let's create our first test. For this video, we'll be using a public application that the Autonomous team built in order for you to get comfortable with the use of the platform. Once you understand the process, you can apply it to whatever site you want. Okay, so let's create our first test. First of all, we are gonna go to create test, and we're gonna set a descriptive name. In this case, we will using the public application I told you before. That's a home banking application. So I will call this test flow add money. Perfect. As you can see here, we have our total portfolio value, and we're gonna add some money. In this case, we're gonna add $1,000. We're gonna click on add money. It was added successfully. And if we scroll a little, you can see that on the recent transactions, we see that today we made a deposit of $1,000. So we're gonna say validate that there is a transaction dollars deposit. And there we go. Simply as that, we have our first test. Okay, so let's rewind for a sec. What's just happening there? When we clicked and typed on the canvas, Autonomous Engine was working behind the scenes. It detected every interaction, the click, the input field we selected, the text we inserted, and automatically converted each one of them into a test step. No code, no complex configuration, just natural interaction that becomes automated testing. This is the power of Autonoma. You interact naturally and it builds the test for you in real time. Before we continue, you may notice that each step was saved as a single action, making them atomic. This design choice gives you better control and makes tests more reliable. If something fails, you will know exactly which step it was. Now, let's save our test. So, we're gonna rerun it and let's see how this works. Perfect. Once the test passed, we can save it. You might be wondering, why can't I just publish it right away? The reason is simple. We need to validate if we miss any steps. And that's it. You have just created, verified, and saved your first automated test with Autonoma. Let's quickly recap what we covered. We navigated and interact with the application naturally. We verify our test work by running it, and we save it to our workspace. The beauty of Autonoma is that once you understand this pattern, you can test anything. If you want to learn more about Autonoma, you can check out the recommended videos below. For now, I encourage you to try creating another test on your own. Maybe transferring money between accounts in the demo application. See you in the next one.